Okay, so we are live now. Hi everyone, can you hear me? If you can hear me loud and clear, if you can comment in the comment section, if you can just let us know that you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, I can see a lot of comments which was before the start of this session. So if you can just let me know that, let me check. Are we live? Yes, we are live on LinkedIn. Yes, we are live on YouTube. So, hi guys, this is Dr. Amit, Head of Business Operations at High Counselor. So, guys, if you can just hear, if you are able to hear me, if you can just comment your location from where you are dialing in today for this session. So, my current location is Toronto in Canada right now. So, if you can just let me know what is your current location from where are you are dialing on. So I can see people from Georgia. Okay, still waiting for more people to comment. I can see a lot of people live on LinkedIn and on YouTube. Okay, Enrich, US. I can see people from Lebanon, Liverpool, India, Pune, Toronto, Canada. So Nikita, I guess we must be close to each other. Then we can see people from France. Okay, Nigeria, South Africa. Oh, so that's great, guys. Thank you so much. And that is what has been our objective of these live sessions, that we want more people to involve from different countries, different part of the globe. And we have been successful so far with more and more people dialing in from different location. I can see people from India. I can see people from US. I can see people from Canada. I can see people from Nigeria, Dubai, South Africa, Brazil. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining in for today. And we are going to start a very exciting project today. And apart from this, if you can just let me know, or just if you can dial in, tell me what role you are targeting right now. Are you targeting the role of data analyst or business analyst or data engineer? So what role exactly you are looking for? If you can just let me know, so that I can be assured that I have the right audience with me today. So if you can let me know what uh, role you are targeting, so I can see people writing. Oh, I can see somebody from Kenya also. Hi. I see data analyst, which DBMS? Okay, data analyst, data analyst, data analyst. Hello, all data analyst. I can see data product analyst, data analyst. So I believe that we have the right audience with us, and thank you for letting me know that, because this project is specifically dedicated for people who are into data analyst or into data scientist role. So this project is what we are going to start is specifically dedicated for those people. Okay. Another thing which I would like to know from you guys, that are you for first time coming on this platform, or you are a repeat user? So if you can just hit the like button if you are the first time user, or if you are on LinkedIn, you can hit your clap button, or and if you are a repeat user, or you can just type in the comment section that you are coming on this platform as a repeat user. If you are a first time user, just click on the like of this live on YouTube. um, I can see a lot of, so first timer can just click on that like button. I'll be able to know that how many people are in the, that will give me the number. And if the people who are repeating on this, they can write in the comment section. And do subscribe to our channel, guys. We do create a lot of interesting stuff for any aspirant who's looking for a job, any job seeker. We do create a lot of real time interviews. You can go to the short section and you can see what kind of stuff we have created, which is very, very valuable insight from directly people who are working in Google, Amazon, Oracle in the Bay Area. In those offices, we have been visiting those offices, asking them those questions, and uploading their first time experience. So do subscribe to the channel, guys. That would be very, very helpful, and that will motivate us to upload more and more videos related to that. I can see a lot of first timer people, repeat user also on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for today's session. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Um, okay, so we are good, I guess. Thank you so much for letting us know that you are into data domain and you are. What is your location and are you a repeat user or a first time user? So we'll follow a very standard format. I'll present you a deck of 15-20 minutes where I'll be explaining you what High Counselor do, what are the different products in which we are dealing right now, and why do we conduct these live session, what is the purpose of this, and also I'll go through the whole process that how you can start your project, how you can complete your project, how you can download your certificate. So we'll be talking about all these things in the next few minutes. Okay, so I will be sharing my deck now. So once you see my screen, if you can see my deck, can just let me know in the comment section that you can see my deck. Yeah. And the name of the project which we are doing today, guys, that is called SQL Exploration of World Bank Loan Data. So that is the project we are going to start today. And if you can just confirm, you can see my channel, the company's channel name is Aditya dot High Counselor. If you want, I can paste the link over here. You can see. Thank you so much for confirmation. And I'll let me just post for you the channel name and all, everything, so you will get an idea. With the High Counselor, you can search that on YouTube, but still I'll post that link. So this is the name of the channel link. You can go to this channel and you can go to the live section where we are live right now. I can see a lot of people live on YouTube. And let me post here in the comment section. Yeah, so this is the channel link I've just posted. You can copy it and I can show it on the screen also. So it's called Aditya.High Counselor. So you can just go to this link. Thank you so much. So let me start today's deck. And before that, since Aditya is not here, he was not well. That's why he is not able to join this session. And so let me just give you a brief introduction about him. Otherwise, if he would have been here, he would have introduced himself. But Aditya has done his bachelor's from NIT Jalandhar in India, and back in 2012, we met in the same college. We had a very good bond in terms of work. We were on the same page in terms of idea generation and energy also. So we started working together at the later stage of my life. At that time, he was doing his bachelor's, I was doing my PhD program from the same college. Then we did in 2015, he did his master's in engineering management. He started PwC, Salesforce. He's worked with PwC, starting his career with PwC, then worked with Deloitte as a Salesforce senior consultant, and finally he launched High Counselor in May 2020. So since then, we have been doing good. We are one of those profitable ventures, and we are working really hard. We have a good team. We we have helped so many people landing job in US, and we are offered so many people internships. So that's how we work. So let me just give you a quick overview of what High Counselor exactly do. So High Counselor is an online career accelerator. So we understood that once you start looking for a job, one of the biggest problem which every candidate faces is he need to fix his resume also, he need to fix on LinkedIn also, he need to get network also, building network building also, he want to get referrals also, he has to apply for jobs also, he need to prepare also. So that means there are so many things which a particular job seeker has to do. So what we did, we tried to create an ecosystem where we help the candidates from end to end kind of service. We help them building their resumes, we help them in improving their LinkedIn. We provide them a lot of resources in terms of courses, in terms of projects, in terms of interview questions, and those questions are real time questions which are asked by the companies in the recent past. And apart from this, the game changer is we have an automation tool with us, which is called our Auto Job. So Auto Job mainly helps you in all the things it did automatically rather than doing it manually. For example, searching for jobs, matching with my skills, applying for those jobs, it can be done all automatically. and that automatically increases your chances of being like applying a lot in a particular day. So if someone is doing 20 in per day, we can do 50, 60, 70, or maybe 100 at times at one day. That's not a problem for us, depending upon how we have customized the auto job. So that is the way high counselor work. So right now we are helping a lot of people who have a valid working visa in US. So we offer them, and through our ISA program, that if somebody wants to enroll, they can enroll. So if you are in US and you are looking for a job and you are not able to find it, you can definitely consider our ISA program by going on to our home website, that is called highcounselor.com, and you can sign up for our next info session or for the next cohort. uh, Moving on, we have the next thing, that is, why do we started these live projects? What was the real reason? The first problem which we see always with the entry level candidate is the lack of hands-on experience. So they are not able to showcase, or they don't have that work experience to showcase in front of the employers. The second problem which they face is inability to land interviews, which is quite associated with the first one only. So if you don't have experience, you apply, but interview don't consider you, or applications get rejected, and hence you're not able to land up into interviews. So after understanding the real problems, what we did, we started doing few things, and one of the best ways which we offered right now, and that is our global product. All these two products are our global product. One is called the real work projects, and second is called the remote internship. So we do conduct every Monday a project for data people, and then the next Monday we cover one project for the software people. But now we are planning to do twice in a week very soon. So now we'll be able to do two projects in a week. So as we'll let you know once we start. Okay. So we are headquartered in Silicon Valley. We have served 1,000+ candidate. They have landed into with internships or maybe jobs with more than 120 employers. The average time which we are taking right now for anybody who joins our internship program is around 4 to 6 weeks. And all these internships are remote internships. So even if you are in India, or maybe in Pakistan, or maybe in UK, or maybe Dubai, or maybe in Saudi, South Africa, you can join this if you are looking for an internship. Oh, okay. So in what roles we are offering right now? So we are offering projects for software engineering people. We are offering internship for software engineering people. We are offering projects for data science people, as well as internship for data science people, in which covers data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, business analyst, business engineer, AI/ML. So we all consider all these in our role. So what is the price for our subscription? Even though this particular project is completely free, you can do it on our platform. But if somebody wants to do more projects on our platform, in that case, the subscription fees is $50 monthly. But if you want to take a 6 months plan, that is just for 149. So anybody can enroll into it, and they can do around 80 plus projects available on our platform, and every week we update it. And I'll show you that also. If somebody wants to join our internship program, so they can join by paying one-time fees of 500 US dollars, and in this you will get also 2 months of project platform subscription. Right now we are offering a code of 20% discount. So if you want, anybody wants to enroll, they can use the code called save20. Okay, so here is some success stories. So we started this project around like the internship and our live project platform. It is around 3 months ago, and the results have been really good. We have been uh, we have assisted and helped a lot of candidates landing job into different countries, internships. Most probably the first one is in US, in UK, in India, and in Dubai. So we are offering a lot of. You can see some of the success stories, and I'll try to bring more in the next session whenever we are conducting. So let's talk about the project now. So what project we are going to start today? So as I told you the name of the project earlier, also it's based on the World Bank data. So it's the journey of World Bank loan data. You have to use Python, you have to use SQL to complete all the tasks which are given based on a data set. So product focus on data cleaning, sorry for the spelling mistake, and SQL queries. So basically, the whole idea is that to create correlation trends and understand global finance. And if you look at the project platform, we have added a lot of projects from different sectors, because sometimes we see jobs related to financial analyst, maybe healthcare analyst. So when you don't have that experience, but if you have worked on certain projects, or you did some internship on these kind of companies, you always get an upper hand as compared to the other people. So what are the different tasks we are supposed to do? Who are the mentors? The mentors are Aditya, obviously, and me. We always look into the functional part of the project, whatever is the issue. And for any technical queries, you can always comment on our anchor post, and I'll let you know how you can comment on it. So Chirag and his team always look into it, whatever the queries are. There are two modules which are attached to it. One is called data refinement with Python, another is called unlocking insights with SQL. So these are the two modules which are associated with this. So let's see how we need to do it, how you can start the project. So there is a three-step process. So let's start with one by one, and I'll be sharing my screen now. So once you see my screen, hmm, okay, are you able to see my screen? Okay, I hope you can see my screen now. So go to highcounselor.com, and once you go to highcounselor.com, mhm, so when we go to the home page of highcounselor.com, that is www.highcounselor.com, you can go to this project section. So just click on projects, and you can see the number of project already uploaded over here is 80. So there are 80 projects which are uploaded right now, and you can see it language wise as well. So for example, I want to see data analyst projects, data scientist projects. So we have around uh, 24 projects on data scientist, and if somebody wants to become data analyst, for them we have around uh, 24 more projects for them, around 24 projects, yes. So in this way you can search for software also. So we are adding up every month. So let me just go to the first project which we are starting today, and that is the World Bank loan data. So once you come to this page, which is called highcounselor.com/projects, so after this, this is the project that is called SQL exploration of World Bank data. You click on this, and it will ask for your email ID and password. Since if you are a repeat user, you can use your existing login. But if you are new to this platform, you can create your account. Just click on this, create an account, and you can fill in your basic details. For example, full name, full email ID, phone number, password, career track, physically present you are in US or not, what was your graduation date, fill in your LinkedIn details, and once you sign up, your account will be created and you will get a login credential email, okay, with your username and password. So since I have already created my account, I'll use sign in. So my sign in is username and password. I'll click on sign in, and now I have signed into my account, right? So now I can click on this project, SQL exploration, and you can see there is a button called go to the sandbox. This page has all the details of all the tasks which is there on the, but you can see all the details in the sandbox as well. So if you want to start your project, just click on sandbox, and it will automatically take you to the sandbox platform. And now you can click on plus button to add the project. So I'll click on the plus button, and here is the project which is coming up right now. You can see, so this is called SQL exploration World Bank data. Let's click on choose template. So once I choose the platform, you can see that this particular project started loading, right? You can see. So it will take around 1 minute, maybe 1.5 minutes to load. So once the project get loaded, then you will be able to start the project. So again, in the meanwhile, I just repeat the process for you. Just go to highcounselor.com/projects, click on the project. It will ask you to create the account or sign in. So you can sign up or sign in based on you are a first user or a repeat time user. And once you have done that part, then click on go to sandbox, click on plus button and add your project. Once you're done, you're almost ready to start your project. And just few seconds more left into this, and then we are good to start. Okay. And guys, if you have any questions, you can keep on posting in the comment section. I'll be taking all the queries after this demo. Okay. So that's it. Now the project is ready. You can see open sandbox. And sandbox is one of our exclusive project platform which we offer in this, where you can uh, directly write in the Jupyter notebook, and you don't need a separate local machine for it, and you can easily do as many projects as possible, right? And now you can see all the tasks coming here. You can see task 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So you can just scroll down and you can see all the tasks of module 1 by module 2. So you can write up your code, you can run your results, and you can check whether your task is ready or not, right? So this is, and you can also see the leaderboard, right? And the live feed, how many people, what task they are completing. Already people have started doing it. You can see already 52 people have started doing it, and my rank right now is 38. So it's a good competitive environment where every day you will be able to see on what, how you are performing on the leaderboard. And this leaderboard has multiple parameters. For example, how accurate you are, how efficient you are in terms of your time, in terms of accuracy, and also how many people do you invite to to help the other people also learn. And that is your called as community service, right? So you can invite people also from here. You can see here. So you can write your email ID also, or you can just share the copy direct link, and you can invite directly. You can paste in WhatsApp group or maybe LinkedIn or any platform where you believe other people will also be interested in doing it. So this is one of the ways you can start the project and share it with them. All the tasks are mentioned over here. As soon as you will start doing it, all this a task will start once you complete 1.1, it will be converted into green. That means you have completed it. So automatically you can do it all the tasks. Once it is done, you can download your certificate. One thing also we have added over here is the LinkedIn post. So we have this LinkedIn post pre-written for you. So if you want to share it on LinkedIn, there are some sample templates. You can use it. You can share it with people, that what projects you are doing right now, on what platform you are doing it, what are the key objective, what are the challenges. You will just keep on updating it through this LinkedIn post. So this was all about your demo on how to start the project platform. If you can just let me know in the comment section, is it clear or not? Is it clear, guys? Uh, if you can just let me know, is the process is clear? Okay, and I'll be going to your comment section right now. I just wanted to know, is it clear? Okay, I can see a lot of people saying clear. Manisha, it's not clear to you. You can watch this if you are late. If you are late, you can just let me know in which section it is not clear to you. Could you be the little slow? Yes, I can go slow by slow. But I believe that if you have joined the session late, you can watch this recording again on the YouTube. That is not the problem, right? Still, if you want it, I can just summarize it for you. It's a three-step process. Enroll on the project. How you can enroll? By going on highcounselor.com/projects. Very simple. Then you just need to enroll. You can just create your sign in by creating sign up your account, and then after this you can start your project. Very simple. Go to the sandbox. A lot of people are already saying yes, thank you so much. And those who have any confusion, they can go back to this video on YouTube. It will be in the live section and you can watch that. That will not be a problem. Okay, so let's now take up your questions. I believe that, and one more thing I would like to say, that how you can stay connected with us, how we can, if you face any doubts or any problem, where you need to go. So you need to go to the same live video on the YouTube. So let me just, so this is the right now. So let me share this link. So you need to go to this link. You can copy this link and keep it with you, that this is the link which I've just shared and showing it on the screen. So this is the link of our live video. And if you will post any question, any query on this video, our team will be monitoring it, and they will be, you can easily will be able to answer your queries. Okay. So I guess let me just show you the deadline and all the other links so you can see all the project overview and description is available on highcounselor.com/projects. And for anchor post, I've already posted this link, youtube.com/watch. You can copy this. And for live project walkthrough video, how you are supposed to do, that is also the link is available over here. There is also, we offer a free coding platform which is completely free. You can sign up it and we don't charge for it. And the deadline for doing this project is 21st November, right? So with, you have a week time for doing this project. After 1 week, even if you complete this project, we will not be in a position to offer you any a certificate or any benefit. Okay, so let us start doing taking up your questions now. In the meanwhile, if you have any other query, you can just let me know. So I can see a lot of people saying clear, clear, clear. Why are these projects locked? So since this project is free because we are doing it live, so anybody who is coming to our platform, they can do this project for completely free. For the first two projects, we do not charge anything from anyone, but after that there is a subscription fee. As I told you that there are 80 plus projects on our platform, and there are a lot of people who work for this platform, so we need to cover those expenses also. So that is the reason why there is a minimum fees, a very affordable one. For 6 months of subscription, you just need to pay 149 US dollars, and that would provide you access to all the platform plus the portfolio page, which you can share directly with the employers. Okay, I do like the efficiency metric, how quickly you solve the task. Yes, so we do check out your efficiency, accuracy, and also how much you are supporting a community, because that, a lot of people, they are very good, but they are very individualistic in nature. They don't want to share it with other people, and that is not the right approach. If you are learning something, we need to pass on that knowledge to other people also. So that's why we have created that invite button. You can invite more people from your community, and we do consider all those things while creating those leaderboard. Okay, moving on. I have two projects are available for free trial for the website. This would my second project with High Counselor, but does not allow me to open the sandbox if it is asking me for it. That means you have already completed maybe two projects, and that is why it is asking for a subscription. Otherwise, it would not have been asking you. Or maybe you added one and then you deleted, maybe something like that. Can we add this project to our GitHub profile? We are working on that, Harshvardhan, and very soon we'll be giving you a result on this. But you definitely get the portfolio page, which you can definitely share it with anyone. Moving on to the next, after going to the project section and selecting the project, what should we do? Very simple, create your account by signing up to the platform. And once you create, sign in, start your project, go to the sandbox. There is a button specifically dedicated which says go to the sandbox. So click on go to sandbox, click on the plus button and add the project. It will take 2 minutes approximately, and the project will start. Time limit for completion of project 21st November. That is the last date. Everyone, is there any time frame for completing the project? Yes, 21st November, a week time for this. Okay, it's clear to you. Can you provide me an internship also? Yes, if you are looking for a remote internship, you can definitely subscribe to our platform. That is called internship platform. Let me show you that also in this. That will help you. If somebody is interested, you can always consider it. So let me just share my screen. So it is almost like a similar process. So if you go to this highcounselor.com, and yeah, so go to this highcounselor.com and you can see internship on the top. You can click on internship, and if you want to get more information about it, you can join the info session. And if you want to enroll directly, you can just click on enroll. And since I've already logged into my account, so you can start your application. So if you have an account on projects also, that can be used for internship also. Okay, so you can consider that also. Okay, so moving on, now we have the next question which I can take. Here is, okay, is it clear? Yes, I have a paid subscription, but I'm able not able to for a unable to access the coding resources. So if you can just let us know by writing an email on projects@highcounselor.com, so we can definitely look into it. Okay, time limit. Okay, exactly what I see. Streaming link. Okay, thank you. If we already have done a free project on this, can we do the? Yes, if you have already done one, you can do one more. There's no problem at all. The project says 1 week. Yes, the project is of 1 week. How do we move to the project after the task? You can complete the task and then you can automatically move. Once you complete the task, then you can automatically move to the next. How to go to that link? I already shared with you the sandbox link, highcounselor.com/projects. Just go to this link and you can start it again. Sign in. I'm not getting the green run button. Just click on plus. Plus click and add. It will take 2 to 3 minutes and then it will be added. Vishnu says no audio. I guess that's not a problem. I guess it is something with your computer. And you can check it through our YouTube link. You can go to our YouTube aditya.highcounselor and you can check whether you can see the sound or not. No, I didn't have the first project, but I was asking for the subscription. I did only one free project. If you can just let us know in the comment section only what exactly is your issue with your details, with your email ID and everything, we'll definitely look into it. Okay, kindly advise the link seems to be blocked for me. I don't know, something maybe from your firewall. That could be one of the issues. If you can just look into from that. Can someone please share the link towards this project? Yes, I can share it for you. So we are doing right now this project that is called World Bank project. So you can just go to this World Bank project and this is the link of this project. Although this shows on my account, but still you need to sign up, right? You just need to sign up for this. I'll just post it here. So this is the link. Yeah, so Rose, right now, directly you cannot be adding it to GitHub. That's not a feature right now on this platform. You can complete and you can show it on the LinkedIn. You can show it on your portfolio page, but you will not be directly be able to write on GitHub. We are working on it, and we'll be very soon provide you that update also. Just like how we added this. So Sir says what you mentioned about some sessions about Mondays. So Sir, on every Monday we start this live project, so you can join it. And all these since you are a part of ISA also share, so you can definitely uh, see it from your LMS also, so no worries about it. Sorry, I just joined, could you just summarize? So we are starting this project for data analyst, and you can go to this YouTube channel called aditya.highcounselor. In the live section you will find this video. Use that video and go through that and you will be able to understand how you can start. Okay. Demand or return after the recession. I guess this is not the right platform. You can join when we start one session with Sai. He is the right guy who can give you a very detailed overview about what is the demand of data analyst after recession. Okay, do you have projects on big data also? We are working on it. We are coming up with projects on NLP. We are coming on projects on computer vision for data, for deep learning, for big data. Very soon the platform will have those kind of project as well. How do we check our answers are correct? If the code runs well, it will automatically turns green, or it will give you an idea. So somebody says I sent you an email already, but no response. Kindly shared that your details on the comment section of this YouTube. Will definitely go through it. Is there any charge for internship? Yes. So if somebody wants to join our internship program. It is one-time payment of $500, and we help directly connect you with the employers where you can land up interviews and land up internship. So we are trying to do our best to match to your skills, and those are remote internships. So anyone from any part of the part they can join that. And right now we are offering a 20% discount also on that. So you can use this code which is called save20. So use this code if you want to enroll. Okay. No, we have 1 week to complete the whole project, not for the one task. Not able to connect to the database. Use the link, create the link, then username and password, which is already given for everyone. You can use that. Walk through for the screen again. I have already explained in detail multiple times how you can start your project. And this is the link. Just go to this link, go to the project, and you will be able to do it. I hold an issue. I had an issue with the last project, healthcare. I invited over 100 projects, but my ranking kept getting worse, even though you might be. It is not about sufficient time. Whenever you are competing with other people, you need to understand it is not about like, for example, I could be very efficient in my terms, but somebody else can also be very. For example, you might have invited 100 people. Somebody might have invited 250 people. That's not a problem, and we have seen it already on our platform. That in the last project there was one guy, I still remember, he invited around 1,000 people, and a lot of people joined from his invitation. So we also see that, like, how many people are joining in. So that's very important, because it is not just like randomly typing email IDs, right? So it is also important that you choose the right people for inviting, who and that is how the community grows, right? Okay. So when I already posted, I already sent an email. I already given you an answer for this. Is there any step-by-step process? I'm totally new to this. I've already explained all the steps. Just a simple three-step process. Go to highcounselor.com/projects. Click on the project. Create your account. Click on go to the sandbox. Click on plus button. Add on, and you will be able to do it. Or otherwise, you can watch the recording again. Can I start this project later also? You can start this project later if you have the subscription, because after this week, this project will also go to the like premium section. Are these internships are paid? It depends upon employer. Could be a lot of employers which you will pay, which they will be paying you for your internship, and on the other side there could be a lot of other employers who might not be paying you. So, and a lot of other, and we have also seen the other way around, that a lot of people were not paying, but once they interviewed with candidate, the candidate was smart enough to negotiate with the employer and get it paid. Okay, please, I sent you an email regarding this issue with an email, but I never got any reply. What was this issue? I already answered your issue. Yeah, I answered this one, your invitation issue, right? What about the entry level position? So if you are in US and you have a valid working visa in US, you can consider our ISM program if you're looking for a full-time job. This particular platform which we are doing right now is only about projects and internships. I did see only one free project, yes, because earlier we were offering all the projects for free, but now it's a paid platform because we have to make a lot of effort, and even we are like trying to convert projects into a guided projects one. So, for example, if somebody gets stuck somewhere, he can take help and complete the project. So we want more people to do the project, and that would be, I guess, fine. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I can see now import data whereas okay. What is the solution code given out for this project timeline? So we do not provide any solution. We did provide it for one project, which is available on the platform, which was done by Sai. But all these projects are mostly not guided. So you have to. Are we getting a paid internship? I already answered this, Alok. It depends upon the employer. I cannot control that, right? Every time we have to include re-CSV. Yes, I believe. How to access the database? Already the link and username password is were given. I answered this also. So I have taken all the question, guys. If you have any further questions, you can type in the comment section. Otherwise, we are good. I'll just share you with all the important links you can see over here. So these are the links which are very important. First link is from which platform you can go to this highcounselor.com/project for anchor post. Anchor post is where we take up all the queries. So if you have any queries related to this project, you can write it here. Our team will following each and every comment over here. Live project, if somebody walk through video, if you want to watch it, it is also available on YouTube on our channel, and the deadline for doing this project is 21st. If you want to practice more questions on coding questions, you can go to this platform, which is completely free. Okay, and so for doing projects, go to highcounselor.com/project, and for doing internships, go to highcounselor.com/internship. Okay, any other question, guys, from your side? I guess we are good from I've explained you each and everything. If you can just let me know everything is clear, loud and clear. If you can just let me know in the comment section. And if you are late to this session or you missed something, you can go to our YouTube channel, aditya.highcounselor, and you can see this video in the. I've already answered this. Can we add this project to the GitHub? So right now we are working on that functionality. Very soon we'll be updating it. But right now we will not be able to add it to the GitHub. Not directly, at least. Okay. Any other? Okay. Even if that is the case, my ranking should have been at least in the top 10. Oh, look, you're going. This is a very subjective process. One subjective means that once you are doing on a particular day, on a particular moment, this leaderboard keeps on changing every second. When I started this project, right now my ranking was 38. Right, even though I have not done anything, I've just started it. Right, but as soon as I'll start doing, it will check my accuracy on this platform. Already I can see, just right now I will show you. Look, you will understand that how things fluctuate on this leaderboard. We need to understand this is a very relative process. So let me show you that also. Look at this. So right now on the same project which I started, if I go on to the same project, you can see here. Here you can see what is my rank now. What my rank is 93 out of 133. Right, so automatically, even if I'm not doing anything, my rank is shifting. Why? Because a lot of people started doing it. They are already starting inviting people also. You can see over here, you can see one Sabar Chan over here. So his time is also, and mainly we consider only in the top 5 people. Anyone who is in the top 5, they are one of them. Like, they are the really one who are doing really hard work in terms of every parameter, in terms of accuracy. And I told you there are multiple parameters. Do not look it from this perspective only, that if you are inviting more and more people, that will help you in leaderboard. No, it will help you in accuracy is also important, your efficiency is also important, and that will be calculated based on time, how many times you have run the code, how many times you have taken for a particular task. Everything will be taken into consideration. Okay, so I guess that is clear now, I believe. Dataset is there on the same platform in the sandbox only. Walkthrough is available on YouTube. I have just shown it. Go to the YouTube channel aditya.highcounselor. You will get it. Okay, I answered this. I answered this right away. I've shown you this also. 100, and to be very honest, when a lot of people are doing a project, let's say 500 people are doing a project, even if I am, whatever my rank is, let's say my rank is 98, 97, 94, I have done something good at least. That's why I'm in the top 100 or maybe in the top 150. Otherwise, uh, I have seen people, and even I have seen that a lot of people only working on the one parameter, not thinking from the other parameters. So we have to think from all the perspective, and that is why that makes this platform very, very competitive. It's not something only where, why, if I am doing everything right, I will be on the top. No, if you are right, even if you are doing everything right, you have to help the community also. We have taken that social angle as well, because that is how we all have learned. Somebody shared with me, I shared with someone else, and that's how the things rolls on. Otherwise, everybody will block a resource, and that will not help. Okay, so that was too much information from my side, I believe, but still I tried my level best to take up all your queries and concerns. Thank you so much for joining this project platform today. Very soon we'll be coming up with another project. Very soon we are starting 2 projects in a week, and that too for from different domains and different industries. So that will provide more opportunities for you to learn and do our projects on the platform. And if you want to do all the projects, or you want assistance, you want solutions, you can definitely subscribe to the platform. But if you want just this project to do it, you can do this project, complete this project within the timeline, download your certificate, and you're good. So that's it from my side right now. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll be meeting very soon. For any other query, write your comment in the YouTube video, in the live video, this feed which we are doing, and you can just use this code. I'll just post it again for you so that it should be clear. Yeah, this one. You can just copy this and keep it with you. And I'm showing it on the screen also. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in today. I appreciate your time and happy coding. I hope that you top the leaderboard, and I will be very, very excited to see how the leaderboard perform. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.